Hello, everybody. I want to give you a little overview of Unit 2 and what you're going to be learning in it. The choices we make have a huge impact on every aspect of a person's health. Even when certain diseases tend to run in families, we can make a good choice or good choices that help create good health habits. And this can lower or raise our risks of injury or disease. For example, eating healthy and nutritious foods will help you lower the risks of heart disease and other kinds of complications like obesity or diabetes. However, going on fad diets could raise your risks for vitamin deficiencies and other serious health issues. Smoking, drinking, or taking drugs also are all bad choices, and those who choose to do them put themselves at great risk for injury or disease. In Unit 2, you'll be learning about those risks. We can't eliminate all risks, but we can minimize them. You'll also learn how to make good decisions using something called the decision-making model. This unit is going to go by very quickly, so be sure to log in, submit your assignments, and email me with any questions that you have. Thanks so much, and have a great day.